right, here's another problem. What do you see? Okay, I'm gonna let you clue in on here. We have a perfectly clean filter, and I'm gonna let you see this. What do you see on the car? Little dust. What do you see packed up all under the hood? This really fine dust that is like talcum powder. Well, and it's white. It's almost white. If you look at it, you can see it has a white color to it. So you almost can't see it. So this is not a white filter, but if it was a white filter, you would almost not see anything. But this is a blue filter, depending on the angle. Watch us tilt it. You see that's not perfectly blue? Do you see that white talcum powder kind of dust? Down in the pores. Let's see if I could really zoom in there. Now this is a tight weave filter. So what that dust is actually doing is literally stopping the flow of air. And it looks clean. You look at the other side, you go, well, that's a clean filter. That looks like a clean filter. There's a leaf in there, a few little things, no big, that doesn't do anything. It's that fine talcum powder that's blocking the flow. Now, what I noticed was my ears picked up the cavitation sound of a fan operating, you could say, under duress, under stress. Well, it's actually not loading stress. It's actually the opposite of loading stress. The motor is actually working easier, but not flowing as much air. And so just like water pumps will have cavitation, so will squirrel fans. And that was the sound that I was getting. And when I did put my hands up there, I go, you know what? That doesn't quite fit. It was blowing a lot, and you could see all the dust on the side of the black. The black is not black. The black has a white powder on it. So when I put that back in there, I could literally feel the flow go back down. So that needs to be changed. And due to what you can't see, let me get in the sun really good in there. And you see, most of you, there's nothing wrong with that. It's perfectly good. But this is the problem. You don't understand talcum powder dust. It literally, at a cellular level, gets in between the weaves of the grains, the weave of the actual fibers, and it plugs in between. And it's that in-between space between the weave of the fibers that actually flow air, but they're plugged with a white, light-colored powder that makes it look clean. See you guys later. Tech tip for today.